If you are planning to purchase a travel drone or a lightweight camera rig anytime soon, you need to freeze your plans, close your shopping tabs, and put your wallet completely away. Serious supply chain leaks out of Asia have just completely blown the lid off DJI's top-secret release schedule, revealing a pocket-sized masterpiece that is set to systematically rewrite the rules of aerial cinematography, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. Welcome to Tech Vibe. For years, content creators, travel vloggers, and Part 107 commercial pilots have accepted a massive compromise. If you wanted a portable, ultra-lightweight drone that could legally bypass strict aviation registration laws in premium countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, you were forced to settle for a small camera sensor, mediocre low-light performance, and highly limited flight times. But according to internal factory blueprints, DJI is officially drawing a line in the sand. The upcoming Mini 6 Pro is engineered to pack high-end, Hollywood-level cinema technology into a footprint that fits right in the palm of your hand, effectively turning a travel gadget into a heavy-lift commercial cinema rig. In this deep dive, we are breaking down the absolute biggest, authenticated hardware leaks and regulatory filings that prove why this drone is the ultimate industry disruptor, and why its secret technology will make current hardware obsolete the moment it hits the market. Stay tuned to find out why this sub-250-gram powerhouse might just replace your massive, multi-thousand-dollar professional drone setup. The headline upgrade making its way into the sub-249-gram chassis is a total generational leap for small-format cameras. Creators have hit a wall with the standard small sensors found in portable drones, which routinely struggle with grain, noise, and compressed dynamic range during dawn, dusk, or golden hour shooting. DJI is obliterating this limitation by introducing a custom-built, 1-inch stacked CMOS image sensor. This is not just a standard sensor refresh. The stacked architecture separates the pixel circuitry from the processing layers, allowing for double the data readout speed and a dramatic increase in light gathering efficiency. According to leaked factory schematics, this massive sensor allows the Mini 6 Pro to shoot spectacular, true cinematic video at a mind-blowing 6K resolution at up to 60 frames per second. For high-end creators, 6K resolution inside a sub-250-gram drone is an absolute game-changer. It means you can capture pixel-perfect imagery with unparalleled sharpness, giving you the massive technical advantage of oversampling your footage down to a hyper-crisp 4K, or cropping and reframing your shots in post-production without losing a single ounce of detail. But DJI didn't stop at resolution. The leak reveals that this new 1-inch stack sensor will be paired with a true, mechanical variable aperture system ranging from f/1.7 to f/11. If you are an experienced filmmaker, you know exactly how frustrating it is to constantly land your drone mid-shoot just to manually swap out physical neutral density filters because the sun came out from behind a cloud. With a real mechanical aperture controlled directly from your remote controller, you can seamlessly adjust your exposure and depth of field mid-air, adapting to shifting lighting conditions instantly while keeping your shutter speed locked at the perfect cinematic frame rate. This level of optical control has previously been restricted to heavy, expensive commercial drones like the Mavic 3 Pro or Inspire series. Bringing it down to a sub-250-gram travel drone completely shatters the barrier between amateur travel videos and professional commercial production. Of course, flying a larger sensor and a complex mechanical lens assembly requires a completely reimagined airframe and advanced safety systems to protect your investment. This brings us to the next massive hardware revelation buried deep within the leaked supply chain data: the introduction of active nightscape LiDAR technology. Standard obstacle avoidance systems on current lightweight drones rely almost entirely on visual binocular sensors. While these work perfectly during a bright, sunny afternoon, they become completely blind the moment the sun goes down, leaving your drone incredibly vulnerable to crashing into tree branches, power lines, or buildings during twilight or nighttime flights. DJI is bypassing this safety hazard by implementing a miniaturized, military-grade LiDAR sensor array that provides true omnidirectional obstacle detection. Because LiDAR uses invisible laser pulses to map the surrounding environment in 3 dimensions, it does not require ambient light to function. The Mini 6 Pro will be able to construct a perfect 3D cloud map of its surroundings in pitch-black darkness, allowing you to execute complex autonomous tracking shots and low-altitude night runs with absolute peace of mind. To handle the immense data throughput of 6K video feeds and real-time LiDAR telemetry, DJI is rolling out its brand-new, proprietary O5 transmission system. If you operate drones in crowded urban environments across the US or the UK, you are well aware of the terrifying signal drops caused by heavy Wi-Fi congestion, cellular towers, and concrete structures. The new DJI O5 transmission engine utilizes an advanced multiband frequency protocol that dynamically switches between channels to find the cleanest possible signal path. The leaks indicate a rock-solid, bulletproof high-definition transmission range that delivers a flawless 1080p live feed at a smooth 60 frames per second, with virtually zero latency, even in high-interference city centers. All of these high-end, power-hungry components raise a critical question: how can DJI possibly run a 1-inch sensor, variable aperture mechanics, active LiDAR mapping, and a heavy-duty O5 transmission system while keeping the drone under the legal 249-gram limit? The answer lies in a revolutionary leap in battery chemistry. Internal documents confirm that DJI is moving away from traditional lithium-ion cells for its flagship Mini lineup, replacing them with a cutting-edge, high-density silicon anode solid-state battery design. This new battery chemistry yields a significantly higher energy density per gram compared to standard batteries. The result is a jaw-dropping, continuous flight time of up to 60 minutes on a single charge, all while keeping the physical weight of the battery low enough to stay safely beneath the critical aviation registration threshold. You will no longer have to carry a backpack full of spare batteries just to get through a single afternoon of shooting. According to internal roadmaps, DJI is positioning the Mini 6 Pro for a highly anticipated global release timeline targeted for the upcoming holiday shopping season. Production lines are already spinning up to meet the massive demand expected in premium Western markets. Price configurations are rumored to start at a highly competitive point for the base unit, while the premium Fly More combo, which includes the advanced remote controller, extra solid-state batteries, and a multi-charger, will lock in a slightly premium price tier. Given the staggering level of professional hardware packed into this ultra-portable chassis, it is clear that DJI is looking to completely monopolize both the consumer travel market and the commercial lightweight sector in one swift move. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a historic paradigm shift in drone technology. By systematically eliminating the compromises of sensor size, night safety, and battery life, DJI has created a pocket-sized cinematographic weapon that makes older, larger drones look ancient by comparison. It legally bypasses restrictive global aviation laws while delivering the pure image quality, robust signal stability, and rugged flight times demanded by professional filmmakers. If you want to make sure you are always using the absolute best gear available, holding off on any current drone purchases is the smartest move you can make right now. Thank you for watching this exclusive hardware breakdown on TechVibe. If you want to stay completely ahead of the global tech curve and never miss an authentic, deep dive look into the world's most exciting upcoming hardware, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and drop a comment below letting us know which feature you are most excited to see launch. See you in the next video.